Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about a cool library that is called face recognition library. Okay, so this is the face recognition library. Okay, so it's actually the creators has mentioned that it's a world's simple face recognition library. Yeah, I do agree that. Okay, so I will show you a demo of this one. And they have said that okay, the model has an accuracy of 99.38. Okay, so I will show you how can we install this and how can we run the code on this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first we can install the OpenCV library. Okay, so run like pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, so this we can run it. So I have already have all the dependencies, so you guys may take like a couple of minutes. Okay, now what can do, let me create a function here to display the image. I have couple of images, so I want to show that you before start our actual coding. Okay, so let me pull out SPLT. Let me write it. Okay, show images. Okay, this is a simple simple function that will return, that will show the images. Okay, so this is listing here. Then I can check PLT figure. Okay, only basic is needed. Okay, for in range of n. Okay, range of n. Let me add the subplot. Why it's not coming? I believe it's subplot. Okay, and I plus 1, then PLT dot show. I think it's IM show. PMT dot IM show and images of I. Okay, and I can say PLT dot show. Okay, now we can read the images. Okay, so I have a up here, then I can import CV2. Import CV2, not CSV2. Okay, import CV2. Now let me add few cells here. Okay, now we can read the images from the folder. Okay, so here can for file in glob dot glob, then I can give my folder name. Okay, so my folder name is img data. Okay, so this will give a image file. Okay, this can be read like cv2 dot im read. This is nothing, I am just reading the images. So I can maybe this is a list of images. Okay, this is a numpy array. Now I can display it. So we already have that function show files, show images. Let me call that function show underscore images. Then I can send the images here. Okay, something went wrong here. Okay, it's not marked down. This should be code. See, so these are the 3 images I have. I have 2 images of Tom Cruise is there, and 1 image of like Alexandra is also there. Okay, now we can see how can we use this particular face recognition library. Okay, for that, first let me install this face recognition library. So we can install pip install how like face. Okay, we can install face recognition library, or like we can come here and we can just copy from here. Okay, can just copy from here. Okay, so we can run this one, and there are like few dependencies. You guys may have to run few dependencies like pip install cmake maybe. I have to run it like in my like when I use it first time I have to run it. Okay, so another one is pip install dlib, which is also necessary. Then you may have to run conda libgcc. Okay, so we may have to run all these files. Okay, then like we will have the successful installation of face recognition library. Okay, so once everything is done, then we have only like 3 or 4 lines of code. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to fetch the non images. Okay, I will call it as non images. Okay, from this non image what I can do, I have like, let me import this one. Okay, import face recognition. I already have installed this one, so I am not going to run it again. Okay, here I have like a non images. I can take face recognition dot, can check that there are like lot of parameters are there. So first what we need to do, we need to load it from the file. Okay, so here I can give like img data, that I think that is the my folder name, img data. Yes, img data. Here I have img data / tom1. Okay, maybe that is a tom. Okay, that is the name of the one image. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, it says there is no folder like that, so let me check this one. img data should be img data. Okay, so let me check here. This is img data. Now file here. img data. img data / tom1.jpg. Okay, so it's there. Okay, now this is one non image. Okay, now I can take second image. Okay, I can read the second image similar to this one, and I can write load image, then img data, then it is tom.jpg. Okay, that is the name of my second image. So I have loaded 2 images of Tom Cruise. Okay, now what I need to do, okay, I need to do like encoding. We need to get the encoding of this one. Okay, so first one, tom1 underscore encoding. So I can check it like face recognition dot face encodings. Okay, here we have to give non images dot 0. Okay, so this is the first one, first non images encoding. Now let me take the second encoding, that is tom encoding. We can use the same functions. Okay, same code, and here also I am taking the encodings, then I can use second image of 0. Okay, so now what we have done, first we have loaded the images, then we have created the encoding of these 2 images. Now the next step is we need to compare these 2 things. Okay, so for that I can use face recognition dot compare faces. Okay, here I can give two embeddings here. Okay, so what I can do, you can check here. Okay, so first one is non-phase encoding. Okay, that is TOM1. Can give TOM1 encoding. Then we can give the second one encoding. Okay, TOM.encoding. See, the answer is true because both are. So I have given these two images to the network, to the library, and we are comparing it. Okay, then it says it is true. Okay, so it is within like 3 or 4 lines of code, we easily run a face recognition problem. Okay, so now let me take like with like Alexandria. Maybe let me load her first. Okay, so this is face recognition load image file. Then the same, I am repeating the same code. Okay, data dot, I believe her name is like JPJ. Yeah. Now what we need to do? Now we need to create the encoding. Okay, encoding. Now I can use like encodings, then Alex, then I can select 0. So now we have the encoding. Now we can compare with any one of above encoding. Okay, so for that I am checking like face recognition dot compare faces. Okay, here we can give maybe Tom encodings, then I can give Alex encoding. Okay, see, this is false. Okay, the same thing I can give like Tom1, still it is false. Okay, so in this way we can easily recognize a face. Okay, and we can compare it with like other faces also. Okay, so we can create a huge database, I mean huge data set of images, then we can convert into non-images, then we can easily compare with other faces. Okay, so this is why it says like very cool, like we can even like nobody wants to know about the machine learning, right? Just like normal Python code, we can import it and run it, boom, done. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.